All right, here we are at a Gen24 and a BYD stack, and I'm going to run you through the shutdown and restart procedure. You may need to do this if we notify you, or in case of a prolonged power outage, your batteries may turn off, in which case a full shutdown and restart is what we need to get it going again. There'll always be a shutdown procedure next to your inverter or battery if we've installed it. So we can just work through that and work back through it to turn it back on. But I'll walk you through it now. First things first is to turn off the main switch inverter supply. That may be an inverter AC isolator if your inverter is too far from the main switchboard. The next step is the PV array DC isolator. It's this switch on the front. It goes to the 0. And as you can see, it can be a little bit sticky. It's spring loaded to make it effective when it turns off. After we've done that, we move to the battery stack. On the right hand side of the battery is the battery DC isolator. Just open this cover. There's a little latch, you may have to push down on it to open. From there you can see there's one big breaker. Up is on, down is off, and you can also see red indicator. Red means that it's on and red is for danger, green means it's off and means safe. So we'll go ahead and turn this off. Then we move over to the push button. We press that and hold it for 5 seconds until the lights go out. 3, 4, 5. There we go. Wait then until your inverter lights all turn off. Then we know that it's lost power and we're good to restart. First thing first is to turn the battery back on. Just over to the battery DC isolator, and we flick this breaker up. We don't need to worry about the push button on the restart. Next we go to PV array DC isolator and turn that back on. Wait a couple of seconds and then we turn on the main switch. Now you'll see a lot of lights, it takes about 2 minutes for it to fully restart, but you'll be able to see it back on your monitoring at this point, and you'll see a green light and a blue light if everything's gone to plan and you're back online.